Alright, this is non-tornadic. I'm just out here getting some lightning videos. I do chase these storms. I do chase them. I usually go out a little bit further, but I'm not in a very good, reliable vehicle to go any further. But here's the thing. Just hit that subscribe button and you guys will see more videos of this as the season goes on. Like I said, there's nothing really all that bad, no tornadic, except for a lot of heavy rain, cloudy ground lightning, dangerous lightning. So if you guys hear thunder, go inside. It's always the thing, always stay inside. Look at this. Look how awesome this is. Mother Nature, right here. Mother Nature. And out here, I was just out fiddling around. Ended up seeing a wall cloud today. That's also in there as well. Just like I said, guys, hit that subscribe button. You know, like this video. You know, if you guys want to see more cool stuff, and yes, I do have tornado videos as well. So, yeah, guys, get on there, check it out. I'm actually about to pack it up here. Actually about to get ready to head back and look at this. You don't get to see this all the time. Just around this time of year, get to see something this pretty, this beautiful, right here. There we go. Yeah, and if it seems to be going out of focus, I got autofocus on. I'm trying to figure out how to get that autofocus off. But hey, not bad though. Not bad of quality. Let's see if I can't get a few more lightning bolts in this video. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think the storm just is a little bit far now. Well, Yep, cold front done came through now. Now the winds have switched out of the north, and yep, it's over, guys. It's all over with. Look at that beautiful sunset. And one more time, just hit that subscribe button, you guys. I'll upload even more videos on here, and try and get y'all a good show going next time. Alright, no worries, no nothing bad. Not with this storm anyways, just some hail, maybe. Alright, see y'all next time.